That's me 1 week before my stomach is removed. It was a great week, to be honest. One full week left with my stomach. So now we'll just record the last week. Okay. "6:42 in the morning. This morning I have to go get an MRI to make sure that I can still have the surgery. The MRI went great. I got to listen to Linkin Park, and after I went to a diner just to chow down. Last few days of my stomach. I call this day Sandoz and Superman, because guess what? Yesterday I posted a video asking if anyone could help me go see Superman before my surgery, because my surgery is going to stop me from seeing Superman in theaters, and I don't want to be spoiled. So now I'm at IMAX going to see it 2 weeks before it's released. The week before my surgery just got so much better. We had one last big breakfast as a family before we saw an ABBA tribute band. That's my buddy Luke, who got surgery 4 months before me. He's been gassing me up a lot before the surgery. He's an amazing guy. Dinner, and donuts. Since after the surgery, I have to stay away from donuts for a while. I've been in therapy twice today, couples and personal. And everything is just lined up. I have turned off my computer, and I'm preparing everything I need for the hospital, including all of you to join me. It's been a good week. I got to see Superman. That was pretty tight. I got to spend it with my wife and daughter. And now, this time tomorrow, I'm gonna hopefully be waking up without a stomach. That's crazy to say. I am so nervous of afterwards. I'm not nervous about going into surgery because I'm gonna be asleep, but I'm very nervous about afterwards. I'm very nervous about the year I'm about to make happen. I'm very nervous about the year of recovery that's going to be difficult. I'm really fucking scared. But hopefully I'll be able to look back on this and just be like, what were you scared of? The thing that I keep on thinking about is like, every time I've been through grief, every time I've been through a heavy loss or something, a really tough trial, I have had all of my organs. This time I won't have all of my organs. Oh God, I'm really scared. I'm really scared of afterwards without a stomach. I'm gonna miss doing that so much. And this was my last meal, steak and potatoes, eaten as fast as I want without thinking. Here we go.
Here we go.
Fucking, this is great. I'm committing to the bit too hard. This is not. It's just a bit, guys.
Come on, Raz, let's go.
Let's go, Raz. Did it. No stomach.